Hello everybody. Today is Wednesday, and what I do on Wednesday is mow the yard. This will be just a strict mowing today. I don't have to use any of the edgers or weed eaters or anything like that. But what I do first off, we check the oil. And it's got plenty of oil. Go ahead and check the gas. Should be good there. But now I gotta pump the crap out of this because it's kind of hard to start sometimes. We'll take note of the time I started. 4:36 p.m. Well, let's see what happens today. Pump it and pump it and pump it. This scene here I had to re-record because I forgot to hit record the first time, I guess. So this is what I was going to do after I get done mowing. I've got to clean the mower up and empty the bag and all that good stuff. So we'll stand upwind. Minimize clippings getting on me. And I'll start the Echo blower. This is a cold start. We're all done. That took approximately 45 minutes, we'll say, to complete the lawn mowing and cleaning everything up and putting everything away. Doesn't take too long to do it once and do it right. The yard's got quite a long way to go before it's all greened up. This section on the right side of the screen, it always starts up greening there first, and then it spreads to the rest of the yard. And we got greening up here as well. It always greens up around this tree first and spreads. And front yards it all looks about the same. It's pretty well evened out right now, but In the next month it should all be filled in and looking good. Now we're going to move on to the next part of the day. After the yard's been done, it's time to change the sheets on this bed. This is now my time. I have some nice vintage sheets from the 60s. They're Canon. And that's all done for another week. Now to take the old sheets and put them in the washer along with my towel and clothes for today, and we'll do the same bathroom routine as seen on my daily routine video. And now is the time. It took me to do that bed, less than 10 minutes? And people tell me they don't have the time. I don't know about that. I'm kind of skeptical of that. That's how long it took me to do this small bed. And we're just about done with this wash load. The wash is complete. That took about an hour. Also ate. It's 7:30 now. Had some good chicken and dumplings for supper, and it was very good. So now I'm going to fold this laundry. There's the time. 7:34, 7:33, somewhere in that range. There you go. If you can't read an analog clock. Let's see how long it takes to fold this pile. And there we are. Eight minutes later. All done. Ready to be put up. And I've got the rest of the evening to do what I want to do. So this has been a look at my Wednesday routine. Thank you for watching.